In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email signature from Gmail. Whether you're tidying up your emails or simply starting fresh, removing an old signature can help create a cleaner and more professional inbox. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through this simple process. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Gmail. You can do this by typing in gmail.com into the search bar or simply clicking on the Gmail icon if you have it bookmarked or saved as a favorite. Once you're on the Gmail login page, enter your email credentials to log in if you haven't already. You should now be at your main inbox, which is the central hub for all your email activities. Now we want to jump right into your settings. Look at the top right corner and find the gear icon. It's a small cogwheel that represents your settings menu. Give it a click. A drop-down should appear with a few options. From this menu, you'll want to select See All Settings. This link will direct you to a new page filled with a variety of tabs that allow you to customize your Gmail experience. Focus on the General tab. This is where all the basic settings, including your signature, live. Scroll through this tab until you find the Signature section. It's usually near the middle of the page. Once you've located it, you'll see a list of available signatures if you have multiple ones set up. Find the signature you want to remove. It's important to double-check which one it is if you have more than one, just to avoid any unintended deletions. Next to the signature you want to remove, you should see a trash bin icon. Hover over it and you'll see a tooltip that confirms it's for deleting. Click on the trash bin and your signature will disappear. But don't rush off just yet. Before you leave this page, make sure you scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the settings menu. This step is crucial because if you navigate away without saving, your changes won't stick, and you'll need to start over. Once you've clicked Save Changes, your unwanted signature will be permanently removed. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to deleting an email signature in Gmail. Remember, keeping your digital workspace tidy can significantly enhance your productivity and make your communication more effective. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with anyone who might need a little Gmail refresher. Stay organized and see you next time.